everyone, it's Rylan here from SENA, and today we are going to go over the all-new Talkie. So in this video, we are going to talk about everything you need to know, from unboxing to device layout to how to use it and its features. So let's get into it. The Talkie is the ultimate hands-free communication device for all of your outdoor activities. So whether you're hiking, kayaking, mountain biking, or any outdoor activity, the Talkie will keep you connected hands-free without the need for cell service. Let's go over all of the features of the Talkie. The Talkie communicates via Mesh Intercom, so that means you don't need cell service, making it perfect for any outdoor activities. And it has a talk time of up to 15 hours and only takes 2.5 hours to charge. So once it's fully charged, you're able to talk all day. And it has advanced noise control, so you don't have to worry about wind or background noise, and you'll be able to communicate crystal clear. It also has an IPX7 waterproof rating, meaning it can withstand being under 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes, making it perfect for water sports. And if you drop it, don't worry, because it floats. So if you do drop it in the water, you're able to just pick it up and keep going. Now let's go over all the items that come with your Talkie. In your box here, you're of course going to have the Talkie, and then it comes with 4 interchangeable faceplates for you to customize as you desire. And those colors are Carbon Black, Ivory White, Urban Camo, and Sunstone Orange. Okay, so you're going to get a quick start guide. This is going to help you get your unit up and running super easily. With your Talkie, you're going to get a couple of different mounting styles. So it's going to come with a magnetic mounting plate, and what that does is snaps into the back, and then this will attach to anything that's metal for it to magnet to. It also comes with a necklace that will hook to that, so you can wear it around your chest. Comes with an arm band mount, so that'll go right here on your arms. Kind of attaches like that. A handlebar mount, and it comes with a longer strap, so if you need to make it bigger, you can. Your USB-C charging cable, a carabiner, and 3 USB-C port covers. And that is everything that comes with your Talkie. Let's go over the layout of the Talkie. So on the top here, you're going to have your 3 buttons. You're going to have the plus button, and then the center C button, and the minus button. And then over here, you're going to have the LED status light. On the back, you have the versatile mounting slots. These are going to click into the different mounting options that come in the box, as well as the reset pinhole button. On the bottom, we have the USB-C charging slot, and then the charging status light right here. To turn on your Talkie, you're going to press and hold the plus button and the center button until you hear it turn on.
Hello, battery level is high. Channel 1.
To adjust the volume, you just press the plus button to turn it up and the minus button to turn it down. When you know the volume is all the way up or all the way down, because you're going to hear a loud beeping noise. There you go. To turn it off, all you have to do is press and hold the center button until you hear it turn off.
Battery level is high. Goodbye.
Updating the Talkie is super simple thanks to over-the-air updates. So to do that, you're going to make sure that your Talkie is on, and then you're going to get the Talkie app and open it up. Here you'll click connect. And as they're connected, you're going to follow the prompts to update your Talkie. So now they're connected, I click OK. It says new firmware. Go to Firmware Updates, and then Update Now. And now it's downloading the update, and it will update the Talkie. And there you go, it's been updated to the latest firmware. Now let's go over Mesh Intercom. The Talkie uses Mesh Intercom to communicate, so as you turn it on, it will automatically turn on Mesh. To mute or unmute the mic, you just press the center button.
Mic off. Mic on.
Mesh Intercom has 9 different channels, so that way, if you have 2 groups that are together, or you're talking with one group and you run into another group on the mesh, you're able to swap channels so that you could be on a different group and not have to worry about communicating with the other group. So to change the channel, you're going to press the center button twice, and then you'll be able to go plus or minus between the different channels. So,
channel setting 1, 2, 3, 4.
And then to select a channel, you just press the center button.
Channel is set. Channel 4.
Or you can just wait 10 seconds and it'll select the channel on its own. And if you turn off the Talkie, it will already save the channel. So when you turn the Talkie right back on, it'll be back on the channel that you selected. If you want to check the battery status of your talkie or maybe see what Mesh Intercom channel you're on, all you have to do is press the center button 3 times and it'll give you a status check.
Channel 4. Battery level is high.
The talkie also has a cool feature called close mute, and what that means is if you and somebody else have a talkie and you come into close proximity, it's going to automatically lower the volume and the mic sensitivity to reduce the echo. So you don't have to worry about turning down the volume or having that shrill sound when they come together. It'll kind of already get rid of that. Now, to ensure that this works properly, make sure that you keep a good distance where you can naturally hear someone talking. You can also pair a headset to your talkie so you're able to listen a little bit more privately while also using the mic of the talkie. So to put it into headset pairing mode, you're going to press and hold the minus button until you hear headset pairing. Make sure the unit is on before you do this.
Headset pairing.
Now I'm going to put my headset into pairing mode. Okay. Once they pair, you'll hear your headset is paired. You'll hear that through the headset. Now, just a reminder that you can hear everything through your headphones, but you need the talkie to still have a microphone. So if somebody's going far away, you're able to still listen privately while communicating. Now, to disconnect or connect the headset, all you have to do is press the minus button for 2 seconds.
Headset disconnected.
Okay, and if you want to disconnect this entirely and add a whole new headset, all you have to do is press and hold the minus button until you hear headset reset.
Headset pairing.
Keep holding.
Press any button to cancel.
Keep holding.
Headset reset.
There you go.
Bye.
And you're back to square one. The talkie has a battery life of 15 hours during talk time, which means that you're able to use it all day on a full charge, and it only takes 2.5 hours to get to a full charge. So once you're ready to go, you're set for the entire day. And to charge it, all you have to do is take a USB-C cable, like one that comes in the box, and plug it into the USB-C charging port. And to the right here, there's a little light that's going to flash red to let you know that it's charging, and it will be solid blue when it's fully charged. If you need to factory reset your unit, all you need to do is press and hold the minus button for 10 seconds until you hear factory reset. This will reset it back to its default settings, and it'll be like it came out of the box. Okay, so then you're gonna press and hold the minus button until you hear factory reset.
Headset pairing.
Keep holding.
Press any button to cancel.
Keep holding.
Headset reset. Goodbye.
And there you go. If your talkie isn't responding, you can fault reset, which is a manual reset on the back here with the little pinhole. You're going to take something like a paper clip to stick in the pinhole, press it, and it'll fault reset the device. None of your preset settings will change, and it should start responding again. And that's it for the all-new Talkie by SENA. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to catch you next time.
Connected.